Hello, today we will guide you through how to add LUTs in CapCut PC. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the simple process of importing a LUT into CapCut on your computer so you can quickly change the look and mood of your video. A LUT, which stands for lookup table, is a color preset that helps give your footage a specific style, tone, or cinematic feel. If you want a faster way to color grade your clips, this is a great tool to use. To begin, open the CapCut app on your PC. Once the application launches, make sure you're on the main editing screen and ready to work inside a project. If CapCut takes a moment to load, just wait until the interface is fully visible so everything responds smoothly. Next, open a small project. This can be any existing project you want to test with, especially a short one if you're just trying out a LUT for the first time. Using a smaller project is helpful because it lets you preview the effect quickly and makes it easier to focus on the color changes without getting distracted by a larger edit. After your project is open, look toward the top area of the CapCut interface and click on Adjustment. This section contains tools related to how your video looks, including color controls and other visual enhancements. If you've never used this panel before, take a second to notice how CapCut organizes visual settings, since this can help with future edits as well. Once you're in the Adjustment section, click on LUT. This is where CapCut lets you work with LUT files and apply them to your footage. When you select this option, you should see controls related specifically to LUT management. From there, click on Import, and then browse to find your sample LUT file on your computer. Select the LUT you want to use and confirm the import. After it loads into CapCut, the look should become available for your project. This is the key step where your external color preset is brought into the editor. If needed, take a moment to preview how the LUT affects your footage so you can decide whether it matches the style you want. LUTs can dramatically shift brightness, contrast, and color balance, so it's always a good idea to check the result carefully. And that's it. You've successfully added a LUT in CapCut PC. Once you're comfortable with this process, you can repeat it with different LUTs to test various visual styles and find the one that fits your video best.